How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only deleted photos. First of all, open up Snapchat and make sure that you're logged in. After that, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Then tap on Settings icon. Once you're on the settings, scroll down and look for an option under Support and Feedback. Then tap on Help Center. Here, scroll down and then from here tap on Contact Us. Now, here you have to choose I need help with Snapchat feature. Then scroll down. And from here choose Memories. And then tap on Yes. And now from here again choose Using My Eyes Only. Again tap on Yes. Now here you have to enter your required details. First of all, enter your username. Under that, enter your email associated with your Snapchat account. And under that, there is a description box. There you have to type in, I want to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only deleted photos. And once you have provided the description, tap on Submit. Now, your request will be submitted to Snapchat support and then it will review it and will get back to you with the solution. So that's how you can recover Snapchat My Eyes Only deleted photos. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.